Hi everybody, Charlie Henley with Gate King, and I'm here to show you the new Silverado with the Gate King tailgate adjuster installed. This thing is so cool. It's a chrome molly arm, it's an easy bolt-on, and it lets you adjust the tailgate into multiple positions. Simply engaging the clip on both sides allows you to manage long cargo. So you can get those tube steps home and get them installed on your brand new truck. Managing cargo with ease is the premise of what Gate King is all about. Whether you got your motorcycle with your gear bag trapped in the back, or whether you're looking to extend the reach of your pickup bed. If you had a tonneau cover, you can lose a foot, 6 inches, 18 inches, depending on if you've got a canister or a folding cover on there. If you've added a toolbox, you could lose 20 to 24 inches of bed space. The Gate King is going to give you an extension, the full length of the tailgate, and give you adjustability so that you can position the tailgate in 8 unique positions to manage cargo of all sizes. Capture the small parts in the pickup bed and keep it from rolling out the back of an open tailgate. And if you need to disengage it, just take a little weight off the tailgate, clip the rod back into its holder, lower your tailgate, and unload that cargo. So when you're looking for a great way to extend the reach of your pickup bed and complement the other accessories that you're upfitting on your new Silverado truck, check out a Gate King today at a Gate King authorized dealer.